How do I get in touch with Acorn? Introduction. Question: have you ever wanted to get in touch with Acorn? If so, you're not alone. Acorn is a popular company that makes many great products, and it can be difficult to know how to contact them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get in touch with Acorn in a variety of ways. Context: Acorn is a company that makes a variety of products, including home security systems, cameras, and smart home devices. They are a popular choice for people who want to protect their homes and families. Thesis: in this video, I will show you how to get in touch with Acorn by phone, email, chat, social media, and mail. Body. Phone: the best way to get in touch with Acorn is by phone. Their customer service number is 1-800-521-2669. You can call them Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Email: you can also get in touch with Acorn by email. Their customer service email address is email protected. You can email them with any questions or concerns you have. Chat: Acorn also has a live chat feature on their website. You can chat with a customer service representative Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Social media: Acorn is active on social media. You can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also send them a message on social media if you have any questions or concerns. Mail: you can also get in touch with Acorn by mail. Their mailing address is Acorn P.O. Box 800, Aurora, Colorado, 80014. You can send them a letter or postcard with any questions or concerns you have. Additional tips: be patient. It may take some time to get a response from Acorn. Be polite and respectful. Customer service representatives are people too, and they will be more likely to help you if you are polite and respectful. Be specific about your question or concern. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for Acorn to help you. Be prepared to wait. It may take some time for Acorn to investigate your issue and get back to you. Conclusion. Summary: in this video, I have shown you how to get in touch with Acorn in a variety of ways. Call to action: if you have any questions or concerns about Acorn products, please contact them using one of the methods I have outlined in this video. Closing: thank you for watching. Additional notes: you can also include a link to Acorn's website in your video description. You can also include a link to Acorn's social media pages in your video description. You can also include a link to Acorn's mailing address in your video description. You can also include a transcript of your video in your video description. You can also add a call to action at the end of your video, asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or like your video. I hope this helps.